Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another double unboxing, guys. This unboxing is also a sponsored video, as the Straps company, Straps Co. did send in a couple straps for me to check out and review, guys. So check out for review of these straps coming up soon. I picked a couple straps that would fit a couple of my watches, which was really nice of them to send in. Of course, you know that won't affect my review, and I'll still get an honest review. And the other unboxing is of a watch. It's the BOLDR Odyssey. This is the 45mm, the brand new BOLDR Odyssey 45mm version. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that Odyssey Aquas. Look for a full review of this guy coming up soon. Now, I may do a review of the Raymond wheel, this guy back here in the background, also today. I don't know if I'll drop that today or not, tomorrow, but if I'm wearing the same shirt, that's why I'm just doing these videos back to back, guys. Not wearing the same clothes twice. I look a little tired just because I just got done working about a 10-hour shift last night, so I'm a little wore out, guys, a little tired. So it is 5:15 in the morning. But and I just looked on Random Rob's page, guys. It looks like he did surpass 50,000 subscribers, so I definitely want to give Random Rob a shout out. Again, here's his mug. Big shout out to Random Rob for hitting 50K. Congrats, bud. Well earned. He is the hardest working YouTuber as far as the watch world is concerned. Now, he was also one of the ones that was responsible for sending in this BOLDR Odyssey, this 45. This was sent in via Dane through him. So thank you, Rob, for sending this in, and I appreciate you lending this in, sending me some watches for some content. But anyways, guys, let's go to the desktop for the unboxing. Now, of course, I do have the addresses marked off for security reasons. Keep those the guilty parties or non guilty parties, whatever, however you want to look at it. Yeah, keep them keep their privacy and my privacy, guys and gals. So that's why I have the marker on there. Now I will take the Strap Co. box and take it over here to the side, guys, and we will unbox those last. I will unbox this bigger box here first because as it is the BOLDR Odyssey. And I do the unboxing. I'm going to use this little Victorinox that actually Saltzman was kind enough to send in to me. Let me keep, guys. So I will get to cutting this. Sorry about that, guys. This is my first unboxing I've done like this in a while. So bear with me here. Be a little patient. Cracked and shored, nothing too crazy. Flat rate envelope. Packing peanuts. Of course, everybody loves packing peanuts. And onto the box itself, guys. Now, for those of you that do know, and I will leave a link to that Facebook group down here below, I am also a moderator on the BOLDR forum on Facebook group. Guys, pretty cool forum where you post all your boulders, anything BOLDR related. BOLDR is such a great brand, guys. I own quite a few. Here is the outer case, as they do like to come in these pretty cool outer, almost like pelican style cases, guys. These are pretty cool, pretty durable. I do believe, don't quote me on this, but I do believe these are indeed waterproof. Now onto the box. It's got pretty good locking mechanisms here, guys. Pretty sturdy case. I'll have to do more research on the watch, find out how much it is and everything. But this is a big chunky monkey, guys. This one definitely is a chunky monkey. It is 45mm. First impressions, definitely really big. I will take the Odyssey off, as the Odyssey Aquas is a 43.5mm. And I will show you what it looks like next to the Odyssey Aquas. I can definitely pull it off here, guys, but it is definitely pretty big. First impressions. I had the older model Odyssey, the white dial, if you remember when I first started YouTube. My videos were a little spotty kind of back then. But pretty cool for Rob sending this in. Of course, Dane has a shorter wrist than me, so I may have to figure out how to get these on here. But pretty cool to send that out. Thanks again, Rob, for setting that up. And again, congrats to 50,000 subscribers, bud. On to the Strap Co. straps. Nothing too crazy on the packaging, and again, they did send these into the channel, so look for a full review of these guys coming up soon. I don't want to cut into the straps. I've heard pretty good things about these. And I will definitely leave a link down to their website down below where you can get these straps and many others if you guys haven't already looked them up. Here it is. They have their Instagram, their YouTube. Pretty cool. Strapsco.com. And the ones they sent in were the olive green NATO, of course, for my Alpinist guys. I figured that would fit my Alpinist, and I figured it could also fit my, sorry, having a little bit of trouble here, guys. I figured it could also fit my Hamilton khaki. I made a 20 mil. Overall, first impressions, pretty decent quality on these straps, guys. These almost even rival Blue Shark straps, in my opinion. Just first impressions, guys. Like I said, look for a full review. And they also did send in this blue and red one. I can figure out how to get this open, guys. Sorry. I do apologize. Just bear with me here. They sent this blue and red one in. I figured I could wear this with my Islander, or it might look good with my Casio Duro, the blue dial, or even the black dial, guys. Again, overall, initial first impression is pretty good quality on these straps. I do appreciate them sending these into the channel, guys. Put the BOLDR right here. And now on to the last one. This is a quick release style strap. I figured this one would probably look good on my little Orient TriStar. Little black and red combo, guys. Let me take this out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. How it looks. And here is it's almost like a rally style strap. Oh, the little pin fell out. I don't want to lose that. This is a quick release style strap. Pretty cool. Like I said, almost like a rally inspired kind of style. I've got a Vario strap on there now. I've got it kind of dressed up. That's the cool thing about the Orient TriStar watch. You can kind of dress it down, wear it casually. But anyways, guys, look for a full review of these straps and this big chunky BOLDR here, guys. Definitely a real tool watch. Pretty cool watch. I do like that Sunburst blue dial. Thanks again, Rob, for sending that out. And thanks, Straps Co. for sending these straps to the channel. If you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as I do come out with unboxings, video reviews, strap reviews, watch topics. I do a lot of live streams almost every day, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.